your vows. Give up your vows. Save our city. Save our city. Right now. And I woke up this morning, I got myself a beer. And I woke up this morning and I got myself a beer. The future's uncertain and the end is always near. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll all night long.
Pushing through the market square, so many mothers sighing. News had just come over. We had 5 years left crying. News guy wept and told us Earth was really dying. Cried so much his face was wet. Then I knew he was not lying. I heard telephones, opera house, favorite melodies. I saw boys, toys, electric irons and TVs. My brain hurt like a warehouse, it had no room to spare. I had to cram so many things to store everything in there. And all the fat, skinny people, and all the tall, short people, and all the nobody people, and all the somebody people. I never thought I'd need so many people. Girl my age went off ahead, hit some tiny children. If the black hadn't have pulled her off, I think she would have killed them. A soldier with a broken arm fixed his stare to the wheels of a Cadillac. The cop knelt and kissed the feet of a priest, and the queer threw up the sight of that. I think I saw you in an ice cream parlor, drinking milkshakes cold and long, smiling and waving and looking so fine. Don't think you knew you were in the song. And it was cold and it rained, so I felt like an actor, and I thought of more, and I wanted to get back there. Your face, your race, the way that you talk, I kiss you, you're beautiful, I want you to walk. We got 5 years stuck on my 5 years, wanna surprise.
Satellites gone up to the skies. Things like that drive me out of my mind. I watched it for a little while. I like to watch things on TV. Satellite of love. Satellite of love. Satellite of love. Satellite of. Satellite's gone way up to Mars. Soon it'll be filled with parking cars. I watched it for a little while. I love to watch things on TV. Satellite of love. Satellite of love. Satellite of love. Satellite of. I've been told that you've been bold with Harry, Mark, and John. Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday to Thursday with Harry, Mark, and John. Satellites gone up to the skies. Things like that drive me out of my mind. I watched it for a little while. I love to watch things on TV. Satellite of love. Satellite of love. Satellite of love. Satellite of. Satellite of love. Satellite of love. Satellite of love.
right thing to do. So let's go.
Young girls know what they're after. Young girls, don't kiss me goodbye. Rockets shoot off to space, and buildings rise to the sky. Bang, bang, I got mine. Bang, bang, reach for the sky. I keep a good friend on videotape. He'll drive his sports car. until it's too late. But we'll have a hot time on the town tonight. 'Cause love is my gadget, and it's the best yet. Bang, bang, I got mine. Bang, bang, the sun don't shine. Bang, bang, oh, what a hot time. Bang, bang, I ought to be in pictures. Let's go.
I want no intimacy.
Lonely? What does it mean? Who? Me? Bang, bang, I got mine. Bang, bang, and you are next in line. Bang, bang, and that's all it means, man. Here, have a glass of wine. Bang, bang. Rise, buildings, rise to the sky. Bang, bang. Young girls know what they're after. Bang, bang. Oh, girls, don't kiss me goodbye. Don't kiss me. Bang, bang.
Gogo eta gorputzaren zilboresteak. Bikate. Bikate biak ebaki beharrezkoak, bat gorputzaren bizitzeko, bestea gogoaren azkatzeko, adizu ama badakizu, zortze berean zuri gorputzez, lotzen induen zilborestea, sendagileak nola eten zuen, lehenengo eten beharra izan zen, bizitzaren bizitzeko lehen legea, haurtzaroan titia eman zenidan, mutilzaroan eskoletara bidali, bizitzarako armak hartzearren, dena eskertzen dizu, duen balore guzian, ikaldutan neurrian, bainan gaztaroan, amatxo maite, goar zaite, benetan maite nauzun ama izan nahi baduzu, eta nik zu maitatzea, ni naizena nik izatea, nahi dutan izatera, utzi behar nauzula, hau baita bide bakarra, biokalkar sanoki maitatzeko, biokalkar osoki eta betikoz maitatzeko, zuk zuren hortasunaz, nik nereaz, zuk zuren hortasunaz, nik nereaz, ama eten dezagun, engorputz dantzaren abezela, orain gogoaren zilborestea, ama gogoaren zilborestea,
Etxen da ezkuntun Bukatu niz oan joaitera Ene opilaren egitera Pariserat banuia zen Oi ama eskualerri goxua Zutan dikurrun triste banuan Adios gaixo etxen denan Adios iberduan Oi ama eskualerri goxua Zutan dikurrun triste banuan Adios gaixo etxen denan Adios iberduan Pariseko bizitzian Lan kostu zuriaz bankiagazen Bena berantzen zutadazen Zure berriz ikustian Oi ama eskualerri goxua Zutan dikurrun triste banuan Adios gaixo etxen denan Adios iberduan Oi ama eskualerri goxua Zutan dikurrun triste banuan Adios gaixo etxen denan Adios iberduan
Discipline remains mercifully.
Yes, and neither would you, Derek, this star nonsense.
Yes.
No, it isn't.
I'm sure of it.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? Did they get you to train your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, cold comfort for change? Did you exchange a walk-on part in the war for a lead role in a cage? How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same